Finding a simple way to watch live television channels without paying massive subscription fees can feel almost impossible. Many streaming platforms trap you with high monthly costs just to access standard networks. Today on TechVibes, I will show you how to break free from these billing cycles completely. We are covering the absolute best advanced way to unlock over 1,000 live TV channels using an M3U playlist on almost any device. You need to optimize your layout to run applications smoothly without network stuttering. Follow these advanced steps to route your television traffic through a secure server. Step 1 is to secure your connection and unblock regional streaming streams. Open NordVPN on your device before launching any media players. Connect to a fast, secure server to instantly encrypt all your internet data. This protects your privacy and ensures smooth, high-definition playback without network throttling. You can use NordVPN to run any app smoothly on your device. The official installation link is mentioned in the description and the comment section below. Step 2 is to download a dedicated IPTV player on your hardware. Go to the official application store on your smart TV, phone, or Fire Stick. Search for a top-tier media player like TechVibes, IPTV Smarters, or VLC Media Player. Click the Install button to download the framework onto your storage bank. This application will serve as your main interface to load the stream data. Step 3 is to locate an active configuration data link. Open your internet web browser and search for updated free M3U playlist links online. Copy the exact text string or download the small indexing file directly to your controller system. Make sure you use fresh directories so that the live station links do not time out. Step 4 is to initiate the configuration setup file inside the player. Launch your newly installed media application from the main home dashboard screen. Navigate through the primary welcome options using your remote pad control. Click on the button labeled Add Playlist or Load M3 URL to open the digital data entry window. Step 5 is to input your live streaming directory address. Paste the exact playlist text string you copied into the box. Select Local File Upload if you saved the file on your hard drive. Click Next to allow the player to process the link. Step 6. Allow the system to build the channel matrix database. Wait a few moments for the software to sync with the directory source. The program will automatically sort the data into folders like sports, movies, and news. This organizes over 1,000 stations instantly. Step 7. Optimize your hardware for high bandwidth. Connect your television or streaming box directly to your router with an Ethernet cable. Switch your wireless to the 5 GHz channel if you must use wireless. Avoid the crowded 2.4 GHz frequency to eliminate buffering. Step 8 is to clear out background system memory before playing your content. Close out any secondary streaming programs or game tools running silently on your device. Select your favorite television category folder from the main menu layout. Click on any station icon to launch the live broadcast feed instantly on your display screen. Using these internal playlists completely customizes your daily television viewing experience. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to TechVibes for more advanced streaming guides. Drop a comment below if you need help choosing a player application. See you in the next video.